Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Tap to Pay on Cash App using your Android device. First, open the Cash App and tap the card icon at the bottom. If your Cash card isn't activated yet, follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Tap Add to Google Pay and follow the prompts to link your card to Google Wallet. Go to your phone settings, then connections and NFC, and make sure NFC is turned on. At checkout, wake your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. Authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or face scan. When you see a check mark, your payment is complete. And that's it. That's how to use Tap to Pay on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.